why do hypermobile joints crack a lot? Well, it's not so much that it's hypermobile joints. All joints can crack. Some people can have more cracking than others. But the cracking is not like you're breaking a bone. So the cracking happens in the knuckles, in the joints, because each joint has a fluid called synovial fluid. And that's for like lubrication. It's for a lot of good reasons. Within that fluid, you can have oxygen, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen as three gases that can build up. When they build up, when they crack, those gases get released, and with movement, they get built up again, and then you just crack it, boom, there. And there is nothing that is wrong with it. Like I said, some people have that easier than mine. So for example, I can never tiptoe because my toes give me away, but you know, there's no harm in that. So that's essentially it. Sometimes people think if you crack your knuckles or if you crack your bones and everything, you're going to get arthritis. That's not necessarily true. I do not recommend people cracking their backs and necks, especially if you are hypermobile, because of the CCI, the craniocervical instability, and because of sometimes with certain kinds of EDS, for example, vascular EDS, the integrity of the blood vessels is not as strong, so you can actually cause issues. So I hope that this helped. Thank you so much for following us, subscribing to the channel. If you need to contact me, use one of the methods of contact in the description box. And until next time, take care.